My friend Theo is here and we're going to be making a delicious semifreddo.
This is the best way to make an ice cream when you don't have a machine and you can't be bothered doing any churning. It's an easy recipe, and let's get straight into it.
Absolutely.
So the first thing we're going to do is get our sugars on and heated. So we've got some honey.
So it's like a honey semifreddo.
Yeah, so with the honey and then thyme and citrus as well, it just really goes very well. So we've got honey, we've got our normal caster sugar, and then some glucose to help it all set.
Yes. And glucose can be found in the baking aisle of all supermarkets.
Yeah. One of the critical points of a semifreddo and like a parfait, any sort of frozen dessert that you're not churning, is temperature. So we do want to get these sugars up to 116, 120 degrees. So if it's beneficial to get yourself a thermometer, I think it goes a long way in the kitchen. You can use it for many other things, and it will level up your game when it comes to cooking. While I'm doing this, I'm going to get you to start whisking some egg whites for us in that mixer, because we're going to trickle this into that mixture once it gets to temp.
Okay, so essentially, once that comes up to temperature, it's going to be really, really hot, and it's going to cook these egg whites.
That's exactly right. Yeah.
Very nice. How's that looking?
Okay, that's perfect. Our sugar's at the right temp. Now I'm going to get you to just trickle this in ever so slightly while that's going. And while you're doing that, I'm going to zest some lemon and some orange as well. That is perfect. You can see how beautiful that is. That's exactly what we want to see. Now, we're going to fold in our cream, and then we're going to add our citrus.
All right, so do you want to put a little bit to start with?
Yeah, we'll go a little bit.
Yep.
Perfect. Then I'll start folding delicately, because I don't want to knock the air out of it.
We've made so much effort to get that so fluffy.
That's it.
And this is a base to so many things, right?
Yeah.
We've used some honey here. It's actually a really nice dessert to do in the summer months, or even around Christmas, where you can add some nougat to it, pistachios, all of those flavours that are very festive.
Absolutely. Well, now all we need to do is add in our flavouring. So we've got our orange and our lemon zest and this beautiful thyme, which is such a great ingredient to add to a dessert, because it adds like a different dimension of flavour that you don't get with many desserts.
All right, and our zest.
Perfect. That's looking great. It
smell.
smells amazing, doesn't it? And also, don't be afraid to add a pinch of salt to your desserts as well. It really brings out the flavours.
Yeah, very nice. And we've just lined our loaf tin with some cling film, which is going to make it much easier to demould this.
Yeah. So that's done. That's going to go into our mould now, and it's going to go straight into the freezer to freeze completely overnight.
Nice.
Okay, now it's time to plate up our beautiful semifreddo. There you go. Oh, you can smell it too, can't you? Right.
Oh, I like your style. This is where all that cling film has come in handy. I'll hold that glad wrap.
Oh, there we go.
I heard it.
Yep.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh. Now we're just going to finish it off with some more honey drizzled over the top. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I'll get you to zest some lemon and some orange to go on the top as well, and then a few sprigs of that thyme, and we're good to go.
Okay, just a bit more
Yum.
lemon. And should we just leave them whole?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful presentation.
I think that's really pretty to put what's actually in the semifreddo as the garnish. So that honey, the thyme, orange and lemon. After a really big dinner, Theo, this is the type of dessert that I crave. So good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.